garnish for our cocktail, we are going to make mole chips. I make a big batch of mole and we freeze it in 1 cup cubes. This looks, it looks like mousse.
It does.
It just put some whipped cream on there. No. So I'm going to stir this around with its liquid. Now you could dilute this a little bit more to get it smoother. I'm happy with what happens when I do this. So I'm just going to take a small spoonful, put it on a silpat, and I'm going to do that twice.
It's a little poop pile.
Yeah. And then take a brush. This is the best way I've found to smooth this out. What you want is to get this really nice and thin. And I'm just going to make a rectangle here on this one, because that's the way I first pictured this. All right, so I just, kind of smooth, kind of flat. The interesting thing about the silpat is the bottom of this is going to come out shiny smooth.
Oh, that's cool.
And the top does not. I imagine you could arrange that. And this one, I'm going to make in the shape of a chili pepper, because it is mole after all.
And we do have a video on making this mole.
Yeah, there's a video on that. There's actually 2 different ways I've videoed. One's fairly simple, well, one's less complicated and one's more complicated. All right, so I think that kind of resembles a chili pepper there.
It's cute.
So now we are going to pop this in an oven. Our oven has dehydrate, which is 150 degrees. So we're just going to put these in a 150 degree oven. Our oven also has the convection bake, which helps by passing air around it. This is going to take 4 to 6 hours to dry these puppies out. So this is something you really have to plan in advance. But you can make a whole bunch of them. They'd make a handy snack.
Yeah, you were enjoying eating some.
Yeah. But there you have it. There's the start of
the garnish.
The mole chips. All right, so our little chips have dried here. So after several hours, they're pretty much dry, and they pop right off that silpat, just so easy, but they're not quite crisp yet. So I put them on a rack to finish out. So there you have the chili. And this will, see how smooth it is on the silpat side?
Oh, hold that up again. Yeah.
And on the other side. But this will be nice for pictures in the cocktail because it has holes in it the light shines through.
Yeah, it really does make a nice picture.
So there's our chips. Subscribe to our YouTube channel if you get an opportunity, and you can check us out on Facebook. We post a lot of pictures of things that don't have videos. Thanks for watching 2 Cooks in the Kitchen, and we'll see you next time.